What's up, YouTube? This is Jay, and today's DCA Friday. So we're gonna go through my portfolio holdings and see what I'm gonna buy today as a DCA investor, especially after the earnings this week. And one of them that we're gonna take a quick look at is gonna be Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. So am I going to buy some more today? I'm gonna show you in a minute, but first I'm gonna show you the SCHD buy for the weekly challenge, and then I also made a purchase today on the dividend portfolio, so I spent some of the cash. Let me show you first the weekly challenge purchase on SCHD, which is this one right here, and I totally forgot to do it on Monday, so I didn't do it until pretty much Wednesday. So on July 30th, share price was at $27.16. So was able to buy another share of SCHD. You guys can see it right here in the spreadsheet. And this is pretty much the last purchase for the month of July. So now I gotta work on the list for the month of August. Which ones of my holdings I am going to be putting on the weekly challenge list for the month of August. So I think one of them is gonna be from my growth portfolio, which I'm also gonna show you in a minute. But let me show you the purchase that I made on Thursday as a DCA investor, and I spent some cash and bought some Proctor Gamble at a share price of $150.64. So I put $80 into Proctor Gamble. So I told you guys I've been wanting to buy some more Procter & Gamble, grow the position, and you guys can see right here that I got now 6.346 shares. The share price right now is still at $150, and my cost per share is at $145.88. I'm only 3% in the green, and I am planning on buying some more today, especially right now at $150. It's still above my cost, but I gotta continue to build that position, especially for the future, for the dividend income in the future. Remember, guys, I'm not buying this to grow like Palantir or anything like that. I'm just growing it. I'm gonna grow my position for the dividend in the future. And if you guys see right here, SCHD is right now at 297.9 shares. So I'm pretty much flat on this position, especially the share price is at $26.50, and my cost per share is at $26.25. So today I'm gonna buy one more share of SCHD, which is gonna bring me now up to 298 shares. And I'm gonna put SCHD on the weekly challenge for August. So if he wins, I'm gonna buy another share on Monday. But let's see which one of some of my holdings are gonna win, right? Which one of them? So those are gonna be two of my purchases that I'm gonna be making today. Just buy some more Procter & Gamble, buy some SCHD, all realty income. I bought some last week. I bought like $10. So I'm probably gonna do something similar. I got 34 shares right now. Share price of $56.13. So it's right under my cost. I'm pretty much flat, in the negative 0.4%. So I'm probably going to throw like another cup of coffee or two like I did last week. And then I'm just going to buy some more FXAIX. 7.8 shares right now, and I'm 23% in the green with the S&P 500. So this, I feel like I can never go wrong. And I'm sure you probably feel similar. But those are going to be my purchases today as a DCA investor in the dividend portfolio. And then I'm gonna go into the growth portfolio where I have $484 in cash, plus the deposit that I'm gonna be making today, which I'm probably gonna deposit like around $40, $50 into the growth portfolio. And one of the companies that I'm most likely gonna be buying today, I'm gonna show you right now in the stock analysis tab, it's gonna be Amazon, because if you guys see right here, it's gonna go down 6.6% after announcing earnings. It was at $234 before the market closed, and then now before the market opens around $218. So by the time you guys watch this video, it's probably gonna be up a little bit more or maybe down a little bit more. So I do believe I'm gonna be buying this dip. When I took a quick look at the Amazon earnings, you guys can see right here that the net sales increased 13% to $167.7 billion. North America segment increased 11%, international segment increased 16%, and AWS segment sales increased 17.5% year over year to $30.9 billion. And if you guys take a look at the operating income, it also increased to $19.2 billion in the second quarter. Net income increased to $18.2 billion, and the operating cash flow increased 12% to $121.1 billion. So what I'm planning on doing today, most likely I'm gonna buy some more Amazon, $2.49 trillion market cap. Earnings per share is at 6.56. This is before the earnings. PE ratio before the earnings is at 35.7. I gotta calculate it to see where it's gonna be at. Forward PE 35.01. Analysts are calling this a strong buy. The price target $256. I'm not sure if this is taking in consideration the new earnings release. I'm sure it's not, but I do like it. I do like Amazon. In the last 5 days, it's up 0.81%. In the last month, 6.71%. So this is going to be erased pretty much by the time the market opened, the gains in the last month. And then year to date, also up 6.71%. So all these gains from this year is probably going to be erased. And it's probably going to give me some more opportunity to buy some Amazon, which as you guys know, I've been wanting to really build up my Amazon position. And this is one of the companies, as I posted earlier in the week, that I really believe in it long term. When I went ahead and I ordered some things that I needed to order on Amazon, I ordered them real quick. It only took me like 2-3 minutes, put them in the cart, order them, got them the next day. I didn't even have to go to the store. I just went to work, got my work done, came back home, delivered. That was pretty much it. I didn't even have to stop anywhere, go waste any gas anywhere else. I just got them delivered very, very easily. And I think it's going to get even better in the future. And I'm sure people in the future are going to rather do ordering on Amazon, ordering online, than going to the stores physically. So I got to start investing in the future. I got to think more what the young generation is going to do or think, or how they're gonna drive their lives, right? Are they going to go more to the stores, or are they gonna rather just order something online and get it quick at their house? I think that's where the future is gonna go. Let me know your opinion in the comment section too. What do you think of Amazon? And then the other one that I'm most likely that I really want to buy is Google. Ticker symbol GOOGL, actually Alphabet, that's the name of the company. I always say Google, but it's really Alphabet. 7.5 shares right now, and my cost per share is $159.37. The share price at 191, and I got a 20.4% performance. And if we go into the stock analysis tab, we can go into Alphabet, Google, and you guys can see that before the market opens, it's slightly down at 190. So hopefully it does go under $190. The PE ratio is still around 20. Forward PE 19.29. Analysts are calling this a buy. Price target still at $213, which is an 11% upside from here. $2.32 million market cap. So this is another one that most likely I am going to be buying today. I'm probably going to spend some cash, to be honest with you. I'm going to spend some of those $400 that I have in cash. Maybe I'll spend like around $100 altogether between both Google and Amazon. Let me know what you guys think. Or are you guys buying Amazon, Google, maybe Microsoft? Microsoft also had great earnings. Let me take a quick look at the stock analysis tab. And I also, MSFT, I also cannot wait until I do a live where we can take a look at stocks together in a live in real time. But this right here, you guys can see that Amazon is going to be slightly up, $537 in share price. You guys can see that in the last month, 7.26% in the green in returns from Microsoft. Year to date, 26.5. So Microsoft, as you can see right here, PE ratio 39 right now. Forward PE 34.6. Strong buy. I'm really starting to like this company a lot. Price target $599. So that's an upside of 12.4%. So this is a $3.97 trillion market cap, almost $4 trillion right there. So Microsoft is one that looks very, very appealing. Right now, a lot of people are investing in it. So maybe it's just too hot of a stock to get into right now. But it wouldn't be bad to add Microsoft into my growth portfolio and hold it for the future, especially where I work at. Pretty much everything is like Microsoft. You know, Excel, Teams. We use all their programs pretty much where I work at. So uh, that's also giving me more of a wanting to add Microsoft into my portfolio. Why not for the future, right? I think Amazon is gonna be here to stay, and it's probably gonna be here even after me, even after I'm done with this earth, right? Even after I pass away. So I think Amazon is gonna be a great investment for the future, especially. So maybe one that I should consider adding into the growth portfolio. I also have Berkshire Hathaway, which I'm keeping an eye on. But the both of them, I don't know. Which one would you rather have? BRKB or Microsoft? Let me know in the comment section. All right, everyone, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me your opinion in the comment section. I'm gonna see which one of my stocks I'm gonna put on the list for Sunday. I'm gonna have to announce it on Sunday, and then I'm gonna be going on a vacation pretty soon. I'll tell you guys a little bit more about it on Sunday's video. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.